Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unpublish or remove a Google slide presentation from the web. So whichever way you want to set it, unpublish it from the web or remove it from the web, the same thing. Let's me show you how to do that. So open up that presentation. You can see the one that is actually published on the web, because once you publish a Google slide presentation on the web, it will have a little icon that shows like two users there or something like that, or let's call it the shared icon, and you can hover over it and you can see where it says shared. It simply means that it's published over the web. So you can go ahead and you can click on that and open up that presentation all together. Now once it's open, click on file in the upper left hand side, go down to where it says share, and you will see the option to publish to web. So you want to click publish to web again. Once you do that, it's going to open up where it shows that it's published to the web. Now all you have to do is just simply scroll down and you will see the option that says stop publishing. Click on stop publishing, click on OK, and it's going to stop publishing that presentation on the web. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and click and close the box, and that presentation is no longer on the web. If I go back to the home dashboard here of Google Slides, you'll now see that that icon of shared or publish is now disappeared. And that's it.